All right, this is your market recap for no, it's not July anymore. August 12th. Jeez, that was hard. August 12th, 2025. You can see today, after Monday's bearish move, we extended a whole bunch today. So if we go down to the hourly time frame, we can see what happened. We are rallying at the close of yesterday's market. We continued that through, sorry, this is Thursday, Friday. Accumulated Monday, dragged us down. Reacted off this 4 hour. All right, nicely doing that. Staying there, pumped up with CPI, took out this high, but we can see we barely took out that high. So what are we going to look for? A decent either retrace or reversal. It can be either of them. And here we just get it to come take down data lows and stop at concentric encroachment of this wick. If we look, concentric encroachment of that wick is at 622. And if we look at the low of this candle, it's at 622. That's pretty perfect if you ask me. And then from there, we just expand throughout the entire rest of the day. Now, 15-minute, you can kind of see it a little better. Here's news, 8:30 CPI rallies up, takes out this high, but closes under it. Shows no desire to continue that move bullish. That's when we start to fall here. Data lows are here. And again, this is that hourly concentric encroachment there, which it ends up tapping. Before reversing, the macro here is what turned us around for the day. We also have this 15-minute fair value gap here that would have been nice to get in for the 11 o'clock macro as well. And then from there, we really just went up. There's no retrace, no nothing. So kind of hard to get in once it started moving. But if you were in when it started, hey man, you made well today. Again, you can see this is the data highs. Sorry, no, this is the data highs right here. This is this high over here where we took out and we can see no closures above it, which is a sign that we're going to start to go the other way. We come down, start to consolidate. We then rally, right? Manipulation here, distribute lower, targeting data lows for sure, and this low. And we also have this hourly concentric encroachment of that sell side wick, again, right there. And then like I mentioned, it's just the macro right there. Perfectly stops price and moves it in its true direction. 15-minute fair value gap seen here, expanded, comes back to it perfectly at concentric encroachment of that too. And then that helps us just expand up. Lunch happens, volume dies, still working our way up, and then all that volume still is dead for PM session, but we still kept going up. Now on the 1 minute, there's not a whole lot. I did play bullish today. I did not lose though. So I saw this expansive leg here, right? Might have been, is it this whole thing? Yeah, this whole thing. So I graded this whole thing, saw that we were at equilibrium, which is this orange line here. I saw we were consolidating here, and so once I saw us manipulate downwards on the lower time frame with this SMT, I liked it. So I bought there after a change in the state of delivery on the 15-second. Luckily got out of break even. We had an SMT up here which caused the tip over, I'll call it. From there, we still reacted off this 1 hour like we did up here. Like that's a nice closure, but us still closing in it on the other side is a sign that, well, it's about to get disrespected, in which it very well did. So that brought us down. Right, again, data lows, this low here, and then hourly concentric encroachment right there. Reversed from there, no SMT, so no trade could have been taken on this. And we really just expanded, right? We expanded here, consolidated for roughly half an hour at around 10:20, and then put it in SMT, expanded upwards out of this, returned back, I'm pretty sure to equilibrium. Yeah, equilibrium of this range there. Right, give or take. We also have this 1 minute fair value up there, and then that pushed us all the way up, broke all-time highs there, and then kind of rode across them, working our way slightly upwards throughout lunch. No more SMTs. I mean, it's really just a solid move up. There's no big retraces that you could have caught, in my opinion. Yeah, I mean, if you were in here, perfect, right? But with my model, didn't see an SMT, so I didn't want to get in that. Now, what could I have caught is this. I could have caught this SMT here short. This did happen fairly quickly, this candle here, so it might have happened too quickly for me to catch anything. Let's see. If I took this, constant encroachment there, still could have gotten a 1 to 2, right? It would have been all right if I took it on the 1 minute with this re-entry there. But 15-second may have been a completely different ball game. So going into the future, let's see. Yeah, we're pretty well above all-time highs. We're here, we're starting to round. Now that could just be because we're lacking volume, lacking momentum. But I like how we closed above it, right? On every time frame, we closed above it. So I'm expecting us to continue to play bullish. I like this fair value gap as well in regards to a good retrace spot for this evening. Yeah, it really depends. If overnight consolidates, I'm looking to play bearish if it gives us an SMT on the higher time frame of the highs. If it retraces, then I'm looking to play buys after a sell side SMT. So really from here, I could see it going either way depending on where market opens, right? If market opens up here, I'm gonna take it down. If market opens down here, I'm gonna take it up. Simple as that. But we are still, as of now, in my opinion, we're still very much so playing bullish. So did we break? No, we didn't break 24. It's up there. So yeah, still looking to play bullish. This has been your market recap for August 12th, 2025.